Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we are going to take you through our tomato sauce that we use mostly our own homegrown tomatoes for. We did have to buy in some tomatoes from an Amish farm. Were so amazing. So I'm so glad that we did that. But we're going to literally take you through putting these tomatoes in the freezer to prep them, pulling them out, putting them in a roaster, getting them prepped, all the way through jarring these tomatoes and putting them on the shelf for future use. So we hope you really enjoy this. It is a labor of love. This was a long process, but we are grateful to have another 8 quarts of tomato sauce on the shelf to make sure that we know we have the products we want and need throughout the winter and the spring until it's time to harvest some more tomatoes. So stick around and enjoy the process of tomato sauce from tomato to shelf.
Hi y'all, I'm Greg, and right now we're going to continue with our preservation, and we are going to take the tomatoes we've picked out of the garden so far this year that we've frozen. We're going to stick them in a roaster pan, cook them for about 24 hours to make our homemade tomato sauce. All right, so we have 6 1-gallon bags. So now I'm just going to dump them in the roaster. That's 4 bags. And these are just a mixture of brandy wines and Romas. That is 6 1-gallon Ziploc bags. What we'll do is we'll take this and we'll set it on the floor, plug it in, and just let it heat itself up. It's gonna go down. And we'll keep an eye on it, siphon, skim the water off as it rises to the top. And that's how we begin to make homemade tomato sauce.
So you saw me peel all of these other new tomatoes. I added the tomatoes that Greg and I did, and now we have a full 18-quart roaster of tomato sauce. I'm gonna let this simmer down just a little bit more, and then we're gonna jar all of those tomatoes up and get that tomato sauce on the shelf. You have seen us do this before, so I will bring you back whenever everything is jarred up and ready to put on the shelf. And it smells so good in here, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. If you would like to see the full version of tomato sauce on a shelf, we have an older video that we'll link here so you can see the entire process. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye y'all.